know what I hate? When people say as you should, or whatever, as it should, or whatever. What's wrong with that statement? It speaks of pride, it speaks of arrogance, and it's disrespectful. Simple as that. So yesterday I was at Kennington Market when I heard this little kid talking to her mom saying, Mommy, I look both ways when I cross the street. And the mom said, good job, as you should. There's a better way of saying that. No, there's a better way of saying that while you're saying you should. And I'm not saying this from like a stupid like Gen Z hurt perspective. There's no form of respect in saying it. There's a form of respect, right? You could have said it from a perspective of saying, good job, you should always be doing that. You should always be doing that. Right? Something like that. I'm not saying the message, I'm not disagreeing with the message. But it's the way you deliver it, bro. You have to have some respect for it. You are meeting somebody, right? Or something like that. And the person goes to you, whatever, say something about it. And would you ever respond saying in that manner, saying, as you should? No, right? Like you meet somebody for like you're not very familiar with this person or whatever, but like you're like, okay, like whatever, but like you wouldn't use those words, right, with them whenever they say something that's like obvious or whatever, right? The message is not the problem here. It's the lack of respect for it. Lack of respect is the way you're saying it. It's like I said, it's speaking of arrogance or whatever, right? But that's the problem in today's society. There's no respect in a lot of things. So I see it, bro. Everything starts with respect, and then you should be. If anything, you should lose your respect as you go. But you should always start things with respect. That's how I see it. Forgetting how close Kensington Market is. I'm already at home. Like, that wasn't that bad, even with traffic.